Hey y'all, for our discussion board this week I decided to talk about the modern issue of abortion. This is something that is near and dear to my heart. My wife is currently 31 weeks pregnant and we both anticipating meeting our son on this side of the womb. At 6 weeks we were able to go to the doctor and able to see the tiniest heartbeat. My heart leaped of joy because she was officially pregnant. I believe at 6 weeks prior to that moment the Lord made a new human being. These verses help illustrate how the Lord views infants in their mother's womb. Psalm 22:10. From birth I was cast on you from my mother's womb. You have been my God. Psalm 139:13-16. For you created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. Abortion has become a heated topic not just in politics, but also within the Christian churches. This topic has divided churches and Christian people alike. I believe looking at the Bible and different actions that people have taken can help with this issue in modern day. In our studies, we have talked about the important case of Roe v. Wade in 1973. However, we need to look at really one of the founding individuals who helped make abortion most prevalent today, Margaret Sanger, who is the founder of Planned Parenthood. Charles Valens, in Was Margaret Sanger a Racist?, quotes Margaret Sanger saying, "The mass of significant Negroes, particularly in the South, still bred carelessly and disastrously, with the result that the increased among Negroes, even more than among whites, is in that proportion population least intelligent and fit, and least able to rear children properly. What is this except racism? Her study of eugenics put her beliefs in the Caucasian race being the most intelligent and fit. However, this contradicts the Bible in Acts 17:26, which states, And he made us from one man, every nation of mankind, to live on all the face of the earth. We're all the same in God's eyes. No one race is better than another. This same Planned Parenthood, which started by Margaret Sanger, is a leader in abortions. Many women who have gone to these clinics have gone because of fear of family, not being ready, being raped, incest, or many other reasons. These reasons are horrendous, and we need to continually pray for people to learn one another the way Christ loves us. As Christians, we need to also encourage these women to have this child that is made in the image of God. In 1983, Jerry Falwell wrote an autobiography where he talked about a conversation he had with a lady at an airport about giving women other options than abortion. He states, "From that little conversation, our Liberty Godparents Home program was born. Any young girl or woman in America who finds herself in an unwanted pregnancy and doesn't want to abort the child can check into Liberty Godparents Homes for the duration of her pregnancy without cost. When the baby is born, she can keep the child or give the child up to the adoption agency." Jerry Falwell gives a great example as what we need to do as Christians with this controversy. Another suggestion is discussed in Moral Issues and Christian Responses by Patricia and Shannon Jung, is that Christians in present day need to take back the importance of sexual relations. There is only one way to avoid pregnancy, and that is sexual purity. The Bible talks about the importance of sexual purity in 1 Corinthians 7:2, Hebrews 13:4, 1 Thessalonians 4:3-5. For time, I won't read them all, but there are many other verses that talk about this topic. In conclusion, as Christians, we need to stress the importance of sexual purity. This might be a view that is regarded as old school, which is seen in the picture below, or fundamental in today's society, but it is the only way of avoiding pregnancy. Another solution for this issue of modern day is to give women a safe haven if they become pregnant, just like Jerry Falwell, Liberty Godparents Homes. We should give alternatives to abortion. However, the most important thing as Christians we need to do is the verse stated below in Ephesians 4:2. Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Thank you very much.